Have you ever noticed how most people say they want financial security, but their daily choices quietly move them in the opposite direction? They talk about saving, they talk about investing, they talk about the future, yet they live almost entirely for the present. And psychology says this behavior isn't random. In fact, the way people think today is already deciding who will struggle financially by 2026 and who won't. Let's break down the real psychology behind why most people will be broke by 2026. 1. Comfort over control. Psychologists say most people prioritize emotional comfort over long-term control. Spending feels good. Avoiding hard decisions feels safe. Discomfort gets delayed. Meanwhile, saving, learning, and building feel slow, boring, and uncomfortable. Over time, money stops being a tool for security and becomes a tool of emotional relief. By 2026, this comfort-first mindset will quietly drain many people's finances. 2. Addiction to short rewards. Modern life is training the brain to expect rewards immediately. Instant entertainment, instant delivery, instant validation. Psychologists call this shortened reward cycles. The problem is that wealth works on long reward cycles. Skills take years. Investments grow slowly. Stability builds quietly. When a brain trained for instant rewards meets slow progress, it quits, not because people are lazy, but because their brain is impatient. 3. Emotional spending. Research shows that most people don't spend money logically, they spend emotionally. Stress, boredom, comparison, anxiety. Money becomes a way to feel better instead of a way to build stability. By 2026, emotional spending will damage more people financially than low income ever did. 4. The fear of being invisible. Many financial decisions are driven by the need to be seen. Lifestyle upgrades, new purchases, keeping up appearances. Psychologists link this to external validation dependence. When self-worth depends on reactions from others, discipline feels like falling behind. The people who build real financial strength are often quiet because they don't need approval to stay consistent. 5. Quitting too early. Most people don't fail financially. They quit. They stop saving when progress feels slow. They stop learning when results aren't visible. They stop investing when outcomes aren't immediate. Psychology shows that humans overestimate short-term effort and underestimate long-term gains. By 2026, this habit alone will separate stability from struggle. So, if most people are struggling by 2026, it won't be because the system failed them. It will be because of daily psychological habits they never questioned. The people who won't be broke won't look special today. They'll be patient, emotionally regulated, comfortable being quiet, because real financial stability is rarely loud. And if you enjoy understanding how psychology shapes money, behavior, and decisions, subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just watch trends, we decode the mind behind them.